guys, and we host here. Oh, someone fell. Hey guys, and we host here. This is part 2 of building my Lego characters. Last time I built like 4, so I'll build more. I think this one's gonna be like Indiana Jones. This one rolled away. I think it's gonna be like Indiana Jones to me. What's me? I don't know. Leave in the comments below. So, that just shut up. That was quick. I also forgot the shout outs to some people. Shout outs to Monica, my daddy, and shout outs to, this is the last person, so shout outs to Banana Bob Boy. Yeah, I like to say him like this, Banana Bob Boy. Yeah, like that. So, yeah, you know what? It's gonna do a trick. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! It worked. So we have, to me it's Indiana Jones, right? You can tell me in the comments below, what does he look like to you? So, got my wizard culture. Let's see what's next. This one looks cool. Yeah. So, only got 1 minute right now. So, let's see here. Let's see what we have here. 3, 2, 1. Boo! So, we got this like elf guy. A little elfie. So, let's see what's up for the challenge next. I don't want to make this video too long again, so I make a part B. So, oh, this is like a mime to me. This is like a mime, so I don't have to worry about it. 3, 2, 1. Oh! So, I have no idea what guy this is, but if you keep telling me where I'm looking, there's like a mirror right here, so I have to stare at it all the time. It's creepy. So, there we go. I'm just gonna build 2 characters at a time. I'm just gonna build these 2 at a time. So, make it quicker. 3, 2, 1. Boom! Okay, let's see what we got here. I was looking at the time. So we got a pirate and a chef guy. I like his little mustache that he has. See it? We also have we don't have a chew. That's good. But we have this pirate, and we're gonna go on our collection. This one looks like a normal schoolboy with glasses. Shoot! I'll be right back. So sorry guys, I was trying to find some pieces for the minifigure. So let's start. The minifigure just built itself. That's so creepy. Well, anyways, we have this like high schooler guy. I don't know, like he's dancing. Oh no! Ah! This guy fell. Sorry if I'm quiet. I'm just trying to not lose pieces. So, hold on. 3, 2, 1. Boom. 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 Oh. So we have this like other mustache guy. He'll go in our collection. Still have a bunch left. Guys, I have a lot. I have so many. Like, these are the ones I have left. No. I have like a bunch left. Oh my god. So I'm probably gonna have to make a part 3. So you know what? I'm just gonna do some magic. I'm gonna do some magic. Wait, should I do some? I'm just gonna do some magic. 3, 2, 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And finally, the last one. And I also have the bike here. Let me get one mini figure ready. But that's cool, guys. I can do a stop motion. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Oh wait, let me give you an update. Here's the update of all of them. There's the guy. There's the guy riding. It's cool how it stands up. And there's an update on all of them. Okay. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Give me your name in the comments below. Bye-bye.